this is Hi5 Trainer. In this video we'll be seeing how to make tasty mushroom pepper fry. But before we go into the video, if you haven't already, please subscribe, as I've already made many cooking related videos on our channel and I'll continue making more. Now let's go into the video. So firstly, into a mortar add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and you can also add fennel if you have it. Now grind this into a fine powder. Now turn on the stove and into a pan add 2 tablespoons of oil, After the oil heats up, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, one teaspoon of ginger pieces, make sure they're cut into small pieces like this, 1 teaspoon of garlic, make sure they're cut into small pieces like this. After the ginger and garlic are fried, add 2 medium-sized onions cut into small pieces like this. After the onions are fried, add 300 grams of mushrooms cut into medium-sized pieces like this. One big capsicum cut into small pieces like this. After mixing the capsicum and the mushrooms, let's add the pepper and cumin seeds that we ground earlier. Also 1 teaspoon of salt, you can adjust the salt to your taste. After mixing the salt, add 1 tablespoon of water. While the mushrooms are cooking into another pan, let's add 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can also use oil. After the ghee is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, two green chilies cut into long slices like this, and 2 dried red chillies. You can also add curry leaves if you have them here. Once the mushrooms are properly cooked, add this tempering to them. And mix it in thoroughly. And tasty mushroom pepper fry is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.